Welcome back to Budget Kitchen. Today we're going to be making the Hungarian classic dish, goulash. Now goulash is a super simple meal that will help you stretch your dollars, and I'm going to show you how to make it, so let's jump right in. First, start with one bell pepper. It can be any color. You can do the green bell peppers and save a little bit of money that way too. And for anyone that doesn't know, you're always going to want to remove the seeds on your bell peppers. They don't really add anything to your food, and in fact, they can be kind of toxic. It's not like a jalapeno or another spicy pepper where the seeds make your food spicier. It's just not good for you. So yeah, go ahead and remove your bell pepper seeds. You're going to dice up your peppers and then put those aside for a second. And then you're going to take a medium onion. Any kind of onion will do. I have a purple onion here, but traditionally a yellow onion is what's used. But you're going to take the onion and you're going to cube that up as well. Set that aside, and then I'm going to fill you in on a couple little more tips to save even more money. Now I have 2 carrots here. You can use any kind of vegetable you have lying around to really bulk up your goulash. I'm using carrots here because I think it pairs well with the goulash. You could also do zucchini or corn, and that would be good as well. If you like beans, a lot of people will put beans in their goulash. I didn't put it in this one because I wanted my kids to eat it, but black beans or red beans, I think preferably red beans would be better in this. And those are a couple ways that you can stretch your dollars and save a little extra money, because we really like doing that over here at Budget Kitchen. And the final thing you have to chop is a little bit of garlic here. You can take 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, go ahead and mince that, and save that for later because you want to add that after your other veggies are cooked. Next, you're going to go ahead and you're going to cook about a pound of ground beef. If you're using 80-20, you probably don't need to add any olive oil or butter or anything to cook it up. If you're using something that has a little less fat, like an 85-15 or like a 93-7, you're probably going to have to use a tablespoon of olive oil or butter just to make sure it doesn't stick to your pan. And don't forget to season your meat generously with salt and pepper. And then I also added a tablespoon and a half of Italian seasoning and a tablespoon of paprika. After your beef has almost cooked all the way through, you're going to go ahead and you're going to add your vegetables. And then you're going to let your vegetables cook all the way through, making sure you also salt them so that the moisture sweats out of them and they cook up nicely and you get a nice caramelization on those onions. And while your food is simmering, I'm going to go ahead and ask you to kindly like and subscribe today. It really helps me out, and then this way, if you guys like this recipe, I have plenty more money-saving meals over on my channel you can check out today. Alright, so after your garlic has simmered in there for about 30 seconds to a minute, you're going to add 1 cup of chicken broth, mix in 1 29-ounce can of tomato sauce, and 1 29-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Then you're going to take 8 ounces of noodles. I have elbow macaroni here. I would recommend elbow macaroni or something similar like the bow tie pasta or something like that. But 8 ounces of pasta, and then you're just going to follow the package instructions on there. Add 2 or 3 bay leaves, put the lid on, and then cook until al dente perfection. Once your noodles are done, you're going to go ahead and you're going to add 1 cup of shredded cheese. I have Mexican blend cheese because that's all I had in the house, but you're going to want to add cheddar cheese if you have it. But just add what you have at home and it'll be totally fine. You really don't need to be that precise. Cheese is cheese and it's delicious no matter how you slice it. And there you have it. There's your goulash, which you could top with some extra cheese, some sour cream, and if you're really feeling fancy, you can go ahead and add some hot sauce too. And again, if you liked what you saw here today, please go ahead and like and subscribe to Budget Kitchen today. Thanks. See you next time, guys.